On the bottom of your screen, press the control icon to get to the control screen. Sontro hearing aids have 4 modes: quiet, noise, entertainment, and automatic. Quiet mode is omnidirectional and allows the hearing aids to pick up sounds around you. Noise mode. Noise mode uses adaptive directionality to enhance your ability to hear voices and follow the conversation in a noisy environment like a restaurant. Entertainment mode. Entertainment mode uses fixed directionality in front of you, allowing you to hear the voices on the TV or in a theater-like setting. Automatic mode. Automatic mode will automatically adjust the proper mode to your surroundings. Most users keep their hearing aids in automatic mode. The volume or mode may be changed and the equalizer and noise reduction settings modified for either the left or right or both devices. The equalizer settings, bass, mid, treble, may be modified for the left and right hearing aids or both devices. The equalizer settings are not available when in automatic mode. There are 3 equalizer settings to improve sound quality. Bass modifies tones of low and deep frequency sound. Mid modifies tones that can be used to help make speech more intelligible. Treble modifies tones in the highest frequency. Turning the treble up will make sounds more clear, and turning it down will mellow sounds. The control screen helps you customize the sound of your Sontro hearing aids to your personal preference. You may save these settings by pressing Save.